Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Toyota Tundra. Performing this routine maintenance yourself can save you money and ensure your truck runs smoothly. First, gather your tools. You'll need a 14mm socket for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Make sure you have a new cartridge oil filter, fresh O-rings, and about 8 quarts of 0W20 synthetic engine oil. Safety is paramount, so use jack stands if you lift your truck. Next, prepare to drain the old oil. Start your Tundra and let it run for about 10 minutes to warm the engine oil, making it flow out more completely. Once warm, turn off the engine. Position your drain pan, then locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Use a 14mm socket to remove it, allowing the used oil to flow out. While it drains, inspect the drain plug gasket for wear and replace it if needed. Reinstall the drain plug, tightening it to 30 foot-pounds. Now let's tackle the oil filter. The Tundra uses a cartridge-style filter. First, use the small drain tool that comes with your new filter to drain the oil from the filter housing. Once drained, remove the housing using a 64mm 14-flute oil filter wrench. Replace the old filter and all O-rings, ensuring you lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil for a proper seal. Reinstall the filter housing, tightening it to 18 foot-pounds and the drain cap to 9 foot-pounds. With the new filter in place, it's time for fresh oil. Remove your oil fill cap and carefully pour in about 8 quarts of the recommended 0W20 synthetic engine oil. Replace the oil fill cap securely. Start your Tundra and let it run for a minute or two to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Check thoroughly for any leaks around the drain plug and the oil filter housing. Finally, check your oil level on the dipstick and add a small amount if it's not at the full mark. Remember to dispose of your used oil properly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.